We're here with James from Method 7, a dear friend of ours. Why should people be using glasses in the grow room, and why specifically Method 7?
It's about eye health and safety, number one. Two is comfort and growing your plants better.
Yeah.
If you can really see what's happening, you're going to be a better grower. It's quite simple. If you're using good nutrients, if there's any kind of issues you need to make adjustments, you have to be able to see that.
Yeah.
And Method 7 just helps you see that in a safe way.
And it color corrects that light.
It color corrects. And we've learned so much about physiology of the eye and the brain through the growers' worlds. And back in the day, when you and I were young, we had no idea that it was so tough. We walk outside and our brains are freaking out.
Yeah.
And we've learned since then with Method 7 that by balancing the light properly, that our brains relax.
Yeah.
That your brain needs proper color to function. And if Method 7 gives you that, and some of it's very subtle.
We take a lot of pride in the relationship. We really appreciate you. I used to get headaches, severe headaches in the grow room. What you didn't know is you were doing actual retinal damage being under HPS lights.
Yeah.
There's certain amounts of UV that are not normally found in daylight.
Yeah. Your eyes and your teeth are the only two things that don't self-repair.
Yeah.
So you get one set of eyes, and it's a downhill slide.
Yeah.
So why mess around?
I love the slogan.
Anyway.
Please don't call them sunglasses.
Yeah, we'd say call them performance eyewear, because sunglasses are just dyed plastic, and these are engineered. So it's performance eyewear.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate the time and the friendship.
James,
It's always good.
appreciate it. More to see at LIFT 2019.
Cheers. Peace out.